FH Group has your entire vehicle covered with our made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your Honda Odyssey 3-row minivan. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Starting with the front bucket seats, remove the headrest, and from behind the seat bottom, disconnect the bottom seat flap. More on that later. Stretch the backrest cover over the seat, making sure to lower the armrest. Now tuck the fabric under the armrest and fasten together with the hook and loop closure. Now push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, lift the bottom seat flap. Then grab the straps and secure them to the backrest using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Now slip the armrest covers on. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat with the buckle clip. Adjust and pull the straps to tighten and secure. Now, tuck in the sides of the seat bottom. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip the headrest covers on. Now, connect the flap back in place and fasten the backrest to the seat with the hook and loop adhesive sides. With simple adjustments like tightening straps and tucking in the fabric, you're sure to have a secure, snug fit. Next, remove the headrests from the middle row bench seat. Slip the backrest cover over the seat. Tuck the fabric around the armrest and under the seat belt. Then, attach the fabric together under the armrest with the hook and loop closure. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Slip the backrest cover down the back side. Zip the fabric together and secure the cover to the lower fabric portion of the back side with hook and loop closure. Next, for the seat bottom, repeat the same steps as the front, making sure to line up the cutouts, adjust the straps, and tuck in the fabric for a secure, snug fit. Now you will attach the midsection cover to the seat bottom. You will notice there are 5 push clips and 3 hook and loop straps. First, you will insert the push clips into the left and right crevice. Then, push the straps under the center console and attach the straps to the console with the adhesive sides. Next, insert the front push clip to secure the seat bottom cover. Now, to attach the center console cover, you will need to lift the console and slip the cover over the center console and around the cup holders. Tuck the fabric under the console and connect the pieces together with a hook and loop closure. Next, place the other backrest on. Slip it under the seat belt, then tuck the fabric around the armrest and fasten with the hook and loop closure. Push the buckle straps through the crevice to the underside. Now repeat all the same steps to attach the left side backrest and the seat bottom, making sure to line up the cutouts, adjust the straps, and tuck in the fabric for a secure, snug fit. Now, slip the armrest covers on. Reattach the headrest and slip on the covers. Next, remove the headrest from the rear bench seat. Stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest and seat bottom, both left and right sides, making sure to line up the cutouts, adjust the straps, and tuck in the fabric for a secure, snug fit. And that's it! Protect the interior and full value of your Honda Odyssey with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.